Exploring cells. The objective today is I can distinguish between a single cell and multi-cell organisms. Please write this definition in your science notebook. Today, as you go through the PowerPoint, you are going to take notes on the living organisms note page. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to look at these two cells and think in your mind, what do you see in these two cells? What is different about the two? Just get some ideas in your head. You may write them down if you're thinking of them. And as we move along through the PowerPoint, you're going to see how different the unicellular and multicellular cells are. So what is a cell? A cell, all living things are made up of cells. Cells are the smallest working units of all living things. So all living things can be broken down into the smallest little unit, which is a cell. And all cells come from pre-existing cells through cell division. A cell is a building block or foundation for all living things. So kind of like bricks on a house, you stack cells up to your foundation and you have a living thing, like a human has all these different skin cells, for example, to make them who they are. The definition of a cell is the smallest unit that is capable of performing life functions. So we're going to be learning about two types of cells, a single cell organism and multi-celled organisms. First is a single cell. This consists of only one cell. Only one. A multicellular organism consists of more than one cell. So as you can see right in this picture here, how you were looking to see what is the difference between the two of them, in previous slides, you can see that this picture of a multicellular it has a ton of different things in it. It has more than one cell to it. So a multicellular organism is kind of like a team sport. They work together to make the organism survive. So you can't win with just some of your team. The whole team has to come together for the organism to survive in life. Multicellular organisms have cells that are specialized, that do special jobs, and they work together for the organism to survive. So for example, a multicellular organism is a human. Okay, we have skin cells, we have hair cells, we have blood cells. All those different things, our blood, our skin, our hair, all works together to make us who we are. So multicellular organisms have cells that are specialized. Here's an example of a rat, how it breaks down all the way down to the lowest level it can possibly be into the cell. So it starts with the cell. If we go the other way, it starts with the cell, goes over to the tissue that makes up the cell, and that makes up a certain organ. Inside a rat, as you can see here, there are many organs and many cells that are specialized to make this rat who they are.